Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the SEMA 2022 series. So today we're going to be trying to walk around and chuck this camera in a bunch of people's faces and get you some quick interviews. So yeah, come along with me, let's see who we can get chatting to and have a look what we've got to offer on day 3 of SEMA. So let's dive into it.
Recording us. Yeah.
What's this, off some Lake Country promo?
I don't know
after?
what he's doing. He's not. He just never used a camera before. He's just been a.
Right then guys, so the first person we bumped into today at this show is the one and only Kelly Harris. So we've got some new products with Lake Country and hopefully can quickly show us what they are.
Rapid fire. Let's do this nice and quick. First thing we had. These are our microfiber OSP pads. OSP, one-step polishing pad. One's got a hole in it, one hasn't, one's tapered, one's not. So basically that's a HDO version and a standard microfiber. These are very, very popular. We've re-engineered the fibres, so they're slightly different fibre now, more fluffy, slightly softer. Where we would use these is a one-step, hence one-step polishing pad. They're a great one-step pad, great with a medium cut compound. So that's a very popular product. And then we finally have our own light source. So this light source has a battery backup, or battery pack, sorry, in the back. So what we've got there is an actual, you can charge your phone. That's actually what you charge the actual light with. This is actually external power coming back out. So that becomes the battery pack. We have the first button when you turn it on, gives you the battery indicator, but not the light. So the first push actually tells you the charge. Then it will time out. So you can just click it to see if your battery's charged or not. Press it twice, you have the brightness. Second, it goes down. So we have 2 lumens illumination there. What I'm going to do is show you on the car over here is spent a long time. You see the size of the bulb there, the angle is really, really wide and quite a large lens there. That gives us the ability, and the thing I always say to people is don't get too close because it's very bright. Because when I stand back, I can come back a long way, and it's, or you see on the carpet there, that's probably a good indication. Look how wide the beam is on the carpet. So that when you get there, that's going to be very, very intense and it's going to bleach out. So I'd always say recommend you come back. Then we can change the brightness, go duller as well. So we've got, say, 2 colour temperatures, 2 light sources, and a handy little light.
Cool, so when are these coming out then, and when can we get them in the UK more importantly?
They're launched now, they was launched Automechanica, so really we're waiting for the shops to actually...
Okay, so...
It's just going to be the shipping of them, but they're being shipped now to our stockist in Germany, which is a new thing you would know. We, obviously as an American brand, we are now got basically a holding warehouse in Germany for Europe.
So we're going to have some better supply of all the other products that we keep
so
running
instead
out,
of it being 8 weeks, 12 weeks because of boat shipping, it's going to. The idea is once it's in stock in the actual Germany. I was talking to John Holt, actually at Automechanica, and he met the guy and said how quick he was. If you put an order in, the shop will have it maximum 2 days later.
Nice.
The next day.
Cool.
So that means we can really help Europe now with our product range.
Cool. So that's a quick interview with Kelly. Let's leave him alone and get to it, and we'll see who we can find next.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, so we've made it over to the Gyeon stand, and I've just happened to bump into Eve. So we're going to go through some new products that they've got and some highlight products that you want to mention. So yeah, take it away.
All right, I'll show you around, and first one is actually we have created Glass Plus, which is a glass cleaner, but it also adds hydrophobic properties to your glass, so it's quick, easy, and pretty long lasting. I had 2,000 miles on it, so we have to make sure that it isn't too good because we're coming into range of glass cleaners, window coatings. So this one is ready to ship out, and then we have a new top coat for certified guys, which is top coat type 2. We already had top coat type 1, but this one is a fluoro base top coat, which can go over infinite base coat 1 and infinite base coat 2 for certified guys, and also on the on top of Can Coat Pro Evo. So new top coat and new glass cleaner with hydrophobic properties.
That's great, so thanks very much to E. That's a couple of great products coming out, so make sure you keep an eye out for those and get them from your local supplier, so you can get them clean and shiny. You've got them
for sure.
Plenty of people in the UK. So yeah, thanks so much. How are you enjoying SEMA as well?
It's tiring, as you probably can see, but it's always fun to meet new people and to interact with new audiences.
That's great. So we'll let Eve catch a break and we'll go and see who else we can find. It's got very busy very quick. We're just by the 3D car case stand. See if we can quickly grab Mike Phillips. He's a busy guy. I have pestered him quite a lot this show over the last few days, so let's go see if we can interrupt Mike Phillips very quickly.
You know, it just depends. One of the things, I can go through this in 2 minutes easy.
So here on the 3D product stand, and we've bumped into the legendary Mike Phillips. We've got some new products. We're going to quickly go through those. So over to you, Mike.
Okay, so we have 3 products for 2023. The first one is our brand new ceramic coating, graphene infused.
Hey guys, so whilst editing this, then I've noticed that obviously we've got a bit of a technical issue with the Mike Phillips part of the interview. So it looks like some of the new products that 3D Kake or 3D products had released during SEMA was the 3D ceramic that I was just about to mention, also the 521 glass polish and a 513 eye coat, and it's an all-in-one compound he was going to mention as well. I believe there was the 3 products, but more information will be coming soon. Hopefully we'll get those on this channel as well, but yeah, for now, let's get back into the rest of the video. Always a pleasure talking to Mike then. He has a lot of time for people, but unfortunately I've taken a lot of his time up at SEMA, so I'm going to leave him alone now. We're going to head over to Gtechniq. I know they've got some new products, so we'll see if we can find Rob or Dom and see if they can just tell us what they are. So let's make our way over there now.
See you, man. They all look like a one job.
Yeah, that interior.
Let's see if we can find Rob. Dom's behind us. Where's Rob? He was here not long ago. Where is he? See, honestly, 1 minute people are here, next minute they're gone. Have you seen Rob? Rob, right, we found Rob. Rob, you're on.
Hey.
Live.
Oh.
So what new products have we got this year? Let's have a look.
Let's have a look. Are we really live? Hello.
Yeah, well, we're not live, but it will be like unedited.
Are you live?
No, but it will be unedited.
New i1. So yeah, more durable. So it's about 40% more durable than mainstream fabric protectors. It's also got a new additive in it. We've updated the antibacterial additive, so it's compatible with everything. So it's great for soft tops, works on every single type of fabric, Alcantara, and it's also got an anti-mold additive in it, which is new. So that's actually doesn't sound like much, but it's a huge thing. You won't get that in any other product. New version of T1.
Okay.
So that's there's a lot of tires, particularly people, Michelin, Pilot Sport, 4S's. There's a lot of synthetic content in that. Existing one, it works, but not great with synthetic. This is adapted so it works for synthetic. Lasts longer on everything, and slightly more gloss than the existing one. So that's going down really well. New metal polish is a new metal polish. It's a bit more aggressive. And then ceramic G-wash. This has actually been out for a little while now.
Yeah, we've just had that on the channel recently, so good
okay,
product that one.
About that. So that's going down really well. And then G-wash, it's an updated G-wash.
An updated G-wash as well.
So that's actually, let me explain to people on that.
Go on,
so, and that's something that's actually overlooked a lot. So it's pH neutral, compatible with every, no damage to any waxes, coatings. or anything, or sealants. But the big difference with that is particularly on very hydrophobic surfaces. So if you had your car with a very hydrophobic, hopefully you're using a Gtechniq product, but what doesn't matter. But with very, very hydrophobic coatings, you'll find with most shampoos, when you glide over with a wash mitt, you'll see that hydrophobic performance will make it go into tight globules, and you get a lot of dry patches around that. They haven't got many wetting agents in. So it's much better to have a lot of wetting agents so it stays flat on the surface, so it's less likely to have dry patches to, reduces any possibility of any marring. So that is, you'll find the difference between that is quite dramatic. Small thing, but it is an improvement.
Cool. So there's some new products from Gtechniq. These are all available in the UK now,
Yes,
then, are they? So
online.
get them from Clean and Shiny, Slims, and a few other.
Gtechniq as well.
And Gtechniq Direct, of course. So thanks very much.
Cheers.
You
All
enjoying
right.
SEMA as well?
Yes, great.
So that's
You,
great.
Matt?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
We're all
Exhausting.
tired. We all sound a bit throaty today. It is day 3.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go find some other interesting people to talk to. So thanks again, Rob, and let's crack on.
Okay.
So thanks to Rob there. As a lot of you guys know as well, they've been helping out with the Suzuki as well on the channel, so good friends of the channel. I've heard Jack from Stjarnagloss is around, so let's see if we can go find him. I think I spy him actually, talking to little Kelly Harris, so let's see if we can interrupt Jack. So we've just bumped into the legendary Jack Cabinet,
Oh, go
aka
straight into
Cav.
it, man.
Of course
Jesus.
we're going straight.
Hold that. Jesus.
We'll start again. I did that with Rob. I just walked around the corner at Gtechniq. Right, you're live. Am I live? I'm like, yeah, well, it's on call. We're live. So I bumped into the legendary Jack Cabinet from Stjarnagloss somewhere. So yeah, how's it going then, Jack? How are you finding SEMA this year?
SEMA is incredible. My shins, on the other hand, are knackered. I've never done so much walking. We're averaging out 10.5 miles a day.
Lightweight.
You can see the curvature of the earth on this show. It's that big. Amazing, phenomenal. Lots of detailing brands. Some good ones here as well, obviously. This guy. And we're on our way to the Rag Company. These are our distributor in America. Who can we blag?
Let's see who we can find. We've got Levi, or is Anthony around?
I think they might be shooting videos.
They were
Do you know
earlier
what?
when they came
Do
by.
You know what? Watch this. I'll plug them. So the Rag Company are very, very premium microfiber manufacturer. They have got a towel for every single purpose, and I am telling you now, I didn't really get it until I used some of the products. There's quality, and then there's different gravy. That's the Rag Company. They're based in Idaho, Boise, top of America. Very beautiful part of the world. Distributed most around the world. Please give them a go. England, John at Clean and Shiny, he is the distributor for them. Doing a lovely job, lovely products, well priced, and ultimately every detailer needs microfiber. As they do need citrus pre-wash, forced, they need tire dressing gummy, they need spray sealants that are water-based, parlour. Anyway, back to you, Matt. What do you want to know? That's a big breath.
Whew. So where should we head next? What is it to look forward to at SEMA? In fact, where's the pink F40? That's what I want to know.
That is a Nosotech. They are in bed with Car Ceramic Pro. They're a little bit.
They might be. So we'll leave Jack here because he might upset folk.
No.
We'll go and have a look and just have a look at the pink F40.
The one thing that you need to go and see, wheels and tyre stand over the other side. They've brought some ladies with them. Not attractive in the slightest. I ran through earlier on. I was like, no, I'm not allowed to be in here. I must run past.
Right. Cheers, Jack, and have a fun rest of the
Thank you
SEMA.
for having me.
Right, so we're going to make our way. We'll have a look at the pink F40 and see what all the fuss is about over there. It's always an interesting chat with Jack then. So yeah, I think there's sensor machines on overload there. So I'm just going to take a quick break and see how many more people can interview. I'm not sure we're going to get many more. If not, I'll just overlay some footage of today's events at SEMA. So yeah, let's have a quick break. Right, so I've just bumped into Matt at Angelwax. We're going to see if we've got any new products. You didn't have to turn around just then. We've got Gyeon at Clean and Shine here as well, so. Come on, what were you saying? Have we got any new products?
We do. We've got Internal, which is an interior detailer. And it smells really nice, so when I spray it on John, yeah. So that's what we've got. This is just a sample. You can if you like. So we've got that in a sample size. The 500ml is in the car for demo purposes and for display purposes. But this is to replace a product called Angel, which is a detailing gel. This is great, safe on screens in modern cars. You can use it everywhere inside, apart from your upholstery. Just keep it on the trim, keep it on the dash, door panels, etc. And that's Internal.
I do feel like I was going to get sprayed with that.
Hey guys, so we're going to end this video out just here now, then back at the Turtle booth stand. So we've just bumped into Pan, the organiser, again. Get your thoughts on SEMA. How have you found it this year then, Pan?
Absolute madness. It's crazy, but getting to meet the people, all the brands, get to see the chemists, the owners, the brand managers, whoever works for those businesses, awesome. But I almost have no more voice. We do miles and miles of walking on average, probably 7 to 8 miles a day. In kilometers, probably 11, 12 kilometers a day. So yeah, and the show is huge. I think there was close to 300,000 people this year or something. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, pure madness, but it's worth the time. If you've never been to SEMA, you have to come and visit.
So thanks very much for that. Thanks very much for watching, guys. As always, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe icon just in front of Pan's face here. I'll also put a link to Pan's channel as well over here. I'm sure you guys know who he is. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, Dave.
Hey, my pleasure, man. Anytime.
Right, I'm going to go and get some food because I am starving.